My name is Jillian and I work on our corporate accounts team at Dassault Systèmes. I'm very passionate about sewing. I've always been interested in designing my own clothes. My mother really got me into sewing, so she taught me just the basics. I started making things for my mother. Some of the things I've done for her is to make pillows. Rather than spending a lot, I can help her to recover some of the furniture. My role is to help our customers ensure that all the engineers at their companies have access to the products easily and have up-to-date software. Some of the projects I'm working on now are to do a deep dive with some of our really large customers, connecting all the pieces between SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience platform. So sewing is similar to my work because it requires me to stay organized and focus on the details, but then also bring it back to a bigger picture. So I'm able to see the whole start to finish process, which is similar to our customers, where we go from start to finish and make sure that every box is checked. It gives me a lot of flexibility to try new things. My name is Jillian and I work in business development at Dassault Systèmes.